is a cervical towel retraction stretch. Using a hand towel, we're gonna fold it in half and then fold it in half again, okay? This is a great way just to mobilize the neck, right? If we have neck stiffness, neck tightness, right? This would be a good exercise that we may use. So taking the hand towel, right? I'm gonna place it behind my head, okay? Now, hands are tricky here. I'm gonna actually cross my bottom hand underneath, right? That is going to anchor down, right, on my chest. My top hand, okay, it's across. I'm going to take that towel and I'm going to gently pull it across my jawline, right? So pulling straight across. I'm just going to gently pull as I'm anchoring down my right hand, okay, getting a nice little stretch through my neck, right, mobilizing my neck here, being gentle with it. Then I'm going to switch, right? So now, getting my other direction. Take my left hand, anchor that down. Take my right hand. That towel is going to pull straight across my jawline as I just gently pull, mobilizing the neck again to the right now.